Hi friend, today we will see how to hide and unhide folders. First of all, open the Explorer. Then go to. There are two methods in which we will see how to hide or unhide the folder and files. First of all, in first method we will see open a folder, create any file, and go to its properties and select hidden. Apply here. OK. Here we will see no files are shown. This is the first method. If we show hidden files, then we check the we click on hidden items, and then we will see here are two files present. One are image file and second one are office file. If we uncheck these option, then both files are go to hidden. This is the first method. Now we will see other method through which we will see how to hide or unhide the folder. Go to view tab, then folder options. Here we will see in folder option, go to view tab, then go to the hidden files and folder heading. Here we will see two options: don't show hidden files, folder or drives, and second one is show hidden file, folder and drives. If we don't show hidden file folders, select, then there is no file will be shown in this folder. Now if we go back to view, then we show hidden files and folder, apply, and then OK. Here we will see that two files are present in this folder. One is image file and second one is office file. The friends, I think you will know about, you can do this, and I think you will see and understand all the things. I hope this video will be useful for you and helpful for your technical issues, and sort out your technical issues and save your time. I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.